Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Rock Kit is probably one of the most exciting ways to dive into the fascinating world of geology and paleontology. These kits offer a hands-on experience, allowing you to explore the wonders of rocks, minerals, and fossils. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or a curious beginner, this kit provides a unique opportunity to learn, discover, and appreciate the natural wonders of our planet. Number 5. National Geographic Gemstone Dig Kit for Kids. Discover the thrill of a real excavation with this kit. It's packed with 15 genuine semi-precious gemstones waiting to be uncovered. Inside, they'll find amazing gemstones like amethyst, garnet, and opal. This kit offers an unforgettable digging experience for kids. This STEM kit includes all the tools needed for digging, plus a learning guide. It also comes with a display bottle and keychain. Unlike other kits, this one lets them excavate incredible specimens. They'll end up with a gemstone collection they'll treasure forever. National Geographic provides high-quality educational toys that are fun. If you're not completely satisfied, let us know. What we like. This kit offers authentic semi-precious gemstones, allowing kids to dig like real geologists. It includes a complete science kit with tools and instructions. If you are looking for a kit that provides a hands-on experience with dazzling specimens and a detailed learning guide, you should consider this one. What people say. The kit includes a variety of rock, mineral, and fossil specimens. It's a great way to learn about different types of rocks and minerals. The kit is well organized and easy to use. Number 4. Blue Marble Rock Collection Box for Kids. This amazing rock collection is perfect for young explorers. It's packed with over 300 genuine rock, mineral, and crystal specimens from around the world, ready to spark curiosity. Discover crystal treasures with 2 premium geodes. It's an unforgettable hands-on geology experience for kids, letting them explore the hidden beauty within. Learn to recognize amethyst, pyrite, rose quartz, and more. A full-color learning guide and magnifying glass are included to help identify each unique piece. This collection includes a wide variety of rocks like amethyst, aventurine, and tiger's eye. The diversity of the collection ensures there's something for everyone to enjoy. Safely store your collection in the included storage bag. Use the magnifying glass to examine your favorite specimens up close and share the wonders with friends. Blue Marble, winner of the Toy of the Year award, develops products that foster education and creativity. A U.S. support team ensures a stellar experience. What we like. This kit boasts a massive rock collection with over 300 genuine specimens. It allows you to discover crystal treasures by cracking open geodes. If you are looking for a kit that offers a wide variety of rocks and minerals to identify and explore, you should consider this one. What people say. A good variety of rocks to explore, perfect for my science area. Comes with so many different stones and a book that teaches you about the different stones and figure out what each one is. Polished and raw with very nice selected fossils. Number 3. Dancing Bear Treasure Hunt Activity Kit, 250 PC. Discover the Dancing Bear Treasure Hunt Activity Kit. This kit is packed with over 250 pieces, offering hours of STEM-based learning and fun for all ages. It's a fantastic way to explore the wonders of rocks, minerals, and more. Inside, you'll find a high-quality collection of rocks, gems, and minerals. The kit includes an educational identification sheet and a rock book to help you learn interesting facts. It's designed to simulate a real rock hunt experience. Break open geodes and reveal the beautiful crystals inside. The kit also includes shark teeth fossils, stone arrowheads, amethyst, quartz, and more. It's an exciting adventure for any young explorer. The Dancing Bear Kit is produced from the highest quality materials. The company is committed to exceptional customer service, ensuring that you're satisfied with your purchase. They are always ready to assist if you have any issues. Dancing Bear creates products that teach and entertain. Their goal is to connect people with nature. Plus, they donate 10% of all profits to charities worldwide. Get ready for an educational and fun experience. What we like. This kit provides a unique rock hunt experience with a mix of rocks and gravel. It includes shark teeth fossils and a full color identification sheet. If you like the idea of combining fun with educational STEM-based learning and finding real fossils, you should consider this one. What people say. Great set with everything you need and a book to match the rocks with descriptions. He keeps the sift rocks in there because he enjoys sorting them from the nice rocks and gems. The ID card that comes with it gets used over and over, even to sort through his other collections. Number 2. National Geographic Mega Fossil and Gemstone Dig Kit. Get ready for an exciting adventure. This kit allows your kids to experience the thrill of discovery. It's an educational activity they'll love. Each specimen in this digging kit is genuine. Your children will uncover gemstones and fossils that are millions of years old. This makes it an unforgettable educational toy. This National Geographic Science Kit includes all the tools your child needs to dig like a pro. It comes with a chisel, brush, and magnifying glass. Hands-on learning has never been so fun. National Geographic STEM kits make learning fun. The thrill of finding specimens is enhanced by a full-color learning guide. It's packed with information on each specimen they discover. It's a great STEM gift. We are proud to make the highest quality hands-on science toys. All our products are backed by exceptional service. If your experience is less than stellar, let us know and we'll make things right. What we like. This kit allows kids to excavate 20 real fossils and gems, providing hours of fun. It includes all the necessary tools for hands-on learning. If you are looking for a kit that offers a large number of specimens and a dedicated learning guide, you should consider this one. What people say. The kit includes a variety of rock, mineral, and fossil specimens. The specimens are well packaged and labeled. It's a great educational tool for learning about geology. Number 1. National Geographic Rock Bingo Game. This game set is a fantastic way for kids to learn about geology. It includes rock bingo, mineral memory, and gemstone trivia. It's a fun and engaging way to explore the world of rocks and minerals. The set comes with a huge collection of rocks and minerals. There are 25 rock specimens and over 150 rock, mineral, and gemstone specimens. These can be used as game pieces or added to a collection. The kit includes game boards, instructions, and playing cards. The cards feature facts about the rocks and gems. They can be used for trivia or as flashcards. It's a great way for kids of all ages to play together. Younger kids will love the memory games, while older kids can enjoy rock bingo and trivia. Parents are welcome to join the fun too. National Geographic is known for high-quality, hands-on science toys. All products are backed by exceptional service. This is a great way to make learning fun. What we like. This kit provides a great way to learn geology through fun games like rock bingo and mineral memory. It includes a huge rock collection with over 150 specimens. If you are looking for a kit that encourages family interaction and offers a variety of games, you should consider this one. What people say. Great set for a kiddo who just loves rocks. My son sat with a magnifying glass for hours. Love that there is a book included for continued learning. The set is exactly as listed and shower in the description. This is a cool learning resource, gift, or addition to collection. It includes so many different specimens. The kit is cool for any age and also includes an awesome guide. My kids love fossils as well. There are many topics that can be covered with these. The box is also reusable and easy for organization. Small bags are also included. There are a lot of different rocks and minerals. The box is made well so it can be viewed again and again. The book is a perfect supplement to the materials in the kit. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.